Planning to travel in 2025? Big changes are coming to the way we travel. From new ID requirements to upgraded airline experiences, here's what you need to know to stay ahead and be compliant in your next adventure. First up, Real ID. Starting May 7th, 2025, travelers in the U.S. will need a Real ID compliant card for domestic flights. If your driver's license or state ID doesn't meet the new standards, it's time to upgrade. You'll need documents like proof of identity, social security number, and a current address to apply. Not sure if your ID is compliant? Check with your state agency or use a valid passport instead. Heading to the UK? Starting January 8th, 2025, U.S. citizens will need an electronic travel authorization, or ETA. It's not a visa, but it helps streamline border entry and improve security. Apply through the UK government website or the ETA app. It costs about $13 and is valid for 2 years. If you're planning a European adventure, be ready for ETIAS, the European Travel Information and Authorization System. Starting in 2025, visitors from visa-free countries like the US will need this travel authorization to enter 30 European countries. Once approved, ETIAS allows multiple short-term visits over 3 years. It works alongside the entry-exit system, which collects biometric data for added security. Good news for U.S. air travelers. The Department of Transportation has introduced new protections. Airlines must now issue refunds for delays over 3 hours domestically, 6 hours internationally, or for major schedule changes like airport switches or cabin downgrades. Plus, hidden fees for families wanting to sit together are now banned. Renewing your passport is easier than ever. U.S. citizens can now complete the process online at mytravel.gov. Just ensure your current passport meets the eligibility criteria, and you'll be notified of updates, approvals, and shipping status, all from the comfort of your home. Airlines are leveling up their game in 2025. American Airlines is rolling out flagship suites with privacy doors and wireless charging. Delta is upgrading its cabins across the fleet, while Frontier Airlines will introduce its first-ever first-class seating. JetBlue is also opening new branded lounges at JFK and Boston Logan airports. With these changes, 2025 is shaping up to be a transformative year for travel. Stay informed, plan ahead, and get ready to explore the world with confidence. For more travel updates and tips, subscribe to Globe Gallopers, your guide to navigating the skies and beyond.